This idea of the project became, before 5 years, we started, my brother, to study how to do it. We started this project from scratch, doing everything by hand. In this, as a prototype project, and it will be the core of the big project for the future, inshallah. Before you came, we do everything manually. We check everything manually. Now it will be systemized, automated. That will give us time to spend it on other issues, other important issues, like planting, germination, and taking care of the plants. What you do today will give us new ideas, new thought of how to organize ourselves using your application. If you succeed in 200 meters like this, 250 meters, you'll succeed in hectares, 100 hectares. It's the same.